Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Cafe. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're going to make traveling super easy with Airport English Made Easy.
Real conversations, real situations, real travel English.
So, travel with us for the next 15 minutes.
Jack, do you like traveling?
Yes, but airports stress me out. So many counters, so many announcements.
And so much English.
Exactly. That's why we're helping our viewers today.
Okay, Jack, imagine you're at the airport. Step 1, check-in.
I walk to the counter and the airline staff smiles at me.
The staff says, "Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket?"
And I say, "Sure, here you go."
Then they might ask, "How many bags are you checking in?"
And I say, just one suitcase.
Perfect.
And if I have no luggage?
Easy. I only have a carry-on.
Sometimes they say your bag is overweight.
Yes. Then you can say, "Can I remove some items?" Or, "What is the extra baggage fee?"
Good to know.
Finally, they give you your boarding pass and say, "Boarding starts at 6:30 from gate 12.
And I answer, "Thank you."
Next up, security check.
My least favorite part.
Mine too, but the English is simple. The security officer may say, "Please take off your shoes. Put your laptop in a separate tray. Empty your pockets."
And if the machine beeps?
They may ask, "Do you have anything metal?"
And I say, "Oh, my watch."
Now it's time for immigration.
The officer usually asks simple questions.
Like, what is the purpose of your trip? How long will you stay? Where will you stay?
I can answer, "I'm here for tourism. I will stay for 2 weeks. I'm staying at the Grand Hotel."
Perfect.
Now I'm finally inside the airport. Time to relax.
Yes, you can shop, eat, or just wait at your gate.
Sometimes announcements are difficult to understand.
That's true. A common announcement is, "Final call for passengers traveling to Dubai on flight EK215. Please proceed to gate 14.
Final call means hurry up.
If you're confused, you can ask staff, "Excuse me, where is gate 17? How long is the delay? Where is the restroom? Is this the line for boarding?"
Simple, short, easy to understand.
Now it's time to board the plane.
The staff checks my passport and boarding pass.
They may say, "Have a nice flight."
And I answer, "Thank you."
Sometimes they give instructions. "Please place your bag in the overhead bin. Please put your smaller bag under the seat in front of you."
Under the seat. Okay.
Now, Jack, you're sitting comfortably. A flight attendant approaches and asks, "Chicken or pasta?"
Oh, that's about food.
"Yes." And you can say, "I'll have the chicken, please."
What if I need water?
Easy. "Excuse me, could I have some water?"
And if I feel cold?
"Can I have a blanket, please?"
Finally, we land.
Yes. Now follow the signs: baggage claim, passport control, exit, customs.
Customs always scares me.
No need. They usually ask, "Do you have anything to declare?"
And I say, "No, I don't."
Then you go to the lost and found desk and say, "My luggage didn't arrive. Here is my baggage tag."
And they'll help me track it?
Yes, they will deliver it to your hotel. Now you're outside the airport. You can say to the taxi driver, "I'd like to go to the city center. How much is the fare? Can you take me to this address?"
Very useful. Wow, Emma, you made airport English so simple.
Yes, now everyone can travel with confidence.
From check-in to security to immigration to boarding and arrival, everything is covered.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, which country do you want to travel to next?
And don't forget to like and subscribe to English Talk Cafe.
See you in the next video. Bye.